Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be, well, I actually don't know what we're doing today. We're going to be cleaning the garage
You're gonna
here.
be doing a thing.
We'll figure out what we're going to be doing today. We're waiting on some parts for the wastegate. I did mention at the end of the video we would potentially do the wastegate routing, but I remembered we didn't even order the parts we needed.
So we're waiting now.
So we bought a vibrant, so we bought a 90 degree 2-inch pipe for the bottom. That's going to come off like so, you know, just going to be 90. And then from there, we got a vibrant reducer, so it'll go from 2 inches to 2.5 inches for this. We bought a foot long of 2.5 inch.
Yep.
And that will place it wherever we're going to. The only thing that I'm thinking of is, depending on how we wanted to mount it for the recirculation, we might need a 2.5 inch 90. But I think how this is going to go, just have it off like this. And then we were talking in the video doing some possible tie cuts from this back to recirculate into it. It should be good.
Yeah, and then, like, if this were to basically make a 90 into this,
it'd be pretty close.
That would be optimal. You know, it's not gonna make like a perfect 90 into this, so we're then gonna have to like pie cut it or do whatever.
I did follow up with AHP, waiting on an email back to see when my welder's supposed to be shipping. The website said it was supposed to be shipping at the end of February, and as of today, it is February 26th or something. What day is it? 26th?
26th.
So Monday is the last business day of February, so hopefully I get a reply back, because I want my welder, because I want to weld all this stuff up. Because once we have this welded up, we'll be able to put it in the car.
That's going to be like a lot of work to just complete all the welds. That's going to take like a whole weekend.
Yeah, I can do it on some spare time as well.
That's true.
So guys, I'm going to go ahead and set you down, and we're just going to get into some work right now. All right, guys. Well, we just got done cleaning. You saw a bunch of time lapse, and I mean, it's not like clean in here. We still need
off this floor.
Oh yeah, we are planning on doing like a huge, you know, reorganization of this whole place, but we need to get done with that guy right there.
And then the next thing, and the next thing, and the next thing.
Well, technically, we need to get that done. We don't really need to do your transmission swap in the Bonneville yet. I mean, that can still just be moved around, but that'll give us the space to kind of move everything over here and then clean up this area, get rid of anything we don't need. We have some spare tires we don't need anymore, and that moped that's kind of hiding back there. What do you say, guys? Should we turbo it, or should we put some nitrous on it?
LS swap.
LS swap it.
Might burn our legs while we're riding it. But hey.
Yep. One other thing we did on Project F last time actually is we took off the flange here because we don't need that. I don't know where right here. We cut that off just to keep it as a spare. If we need it, we'll just, you know, sand it up, and yeah, we'll see. I mean, we already committed to doing the big 60.
Yep. So I don't think we'll need it, but for the future, maybe. Can't wait for the new welder to get here.
Oh man, seriously, because we'll be able to actually put all this stuff together once we have it. All right, guys, we got a high performance balancer for the Camaro here because we don't want to ditch the L67 balancer because it's just more rotating mass. We'll keep it on hand if it messes up anything with like the internals, you know, the balance of it. Shouldn't be a problem to our knowledge, but...
Oh no. Oh no, it's got peanuts.
Oh shit.
What? How is this tape holding up to this?
Because we just used that razor blade to cut the carpet.
That's right. I'll do it. Oh no.
Jesus, be careful with that.
Oh no. Is there even a balancer in here?
Was it heavy?
No. Yeah, it is. Oh no, no, these peanuts. Oh god. Oh god.
Wow, it's rusty.
That thing is
hell.
a dinky little thing.
Oh yeah, didn't you say you wanted to paint it? We can clean it up and paint it.
Yeah, we still need to clean it up.
Okay, we'll clean it up and we'll just paint it a little bit.
Oh
Jesus,
god.
how
no, get it over it.
How would you package something like this, guys? Come on, be better. I'm just kidding. This is a stock Camaro balancer.
It is.
It's not high performance. I checked for an overdrive pulley because that'd be neat. It add a little bit more horsepower, but god dang it.
Zach, bubble wrap this thing next time. Shit. Oh fuck. Dude,
Here,
we're
we'll
just
just
gonna have
take
to blow
it
it out.
Yeah. Oh god.
Oh no. We just swept.
Set that. Yeah, we did just sweep. Open up the garage door. We'll get the air compressor to blow this out. God. Just like Christmas now. All right, guys, we were cleaning this balancer up here, and I just tested it real quick. This is the balancer extraction bolt kit, so takes off the harmonic balancer, threads into L67 just fine. These ones, though, are too small. I remember when we took apart the Camaro engine, I used this kit to take off its balancer, like that motor right there. So I don't know what it was. We found a bolt right here that seemingly threads into them, so we're going to... They're also kind of rusty in there. So I'm going to drive through with the impact, like just down and through to kind of hopefully retap it or redo the threads. You can see how gross it is, and then we'll just have to mark this bolt as the one we'll need for an extraction kit, and then just get like 3 and keep them in this thing here.
God damn it.
Yeah.
Just one more thing. Ooh. Oh god. Almost
no falling, Tristan.
Almost fell on that thing. We got 12% battery. We gotta make this quick.
Oh wait.
Yeah. Oh wait. Gotta get the sponsorship at.
Where is the... There we go.
Super Clean, please sponsor us.
That's them on the phone right now.
Oh shit. Super Clean. Oh shit. It's the telemarketers from Texas. That might not be actually the right one, or that sealant is like preventing it.
It's the right one for sure. That's just as far as it goes.
Oh, really? Oh.
I mean, if you look at how long these threads are.
Not very, so, okay.
It only goes in part of the bottom.
Basically as much as that did. Yeah, okay.
These are the right ones for sure.
Oh, that fucking rust water, or that rust oil.
That one does not like
that one's fucked.
It's very bad threads.
Well,
same with this one.
If 3 work, like that will work, but...
Here, let me...
You don't need all 4 to work.
Oh god, this might be a while.
To get that thing off?
I just want to put it down to see what bolt holes we need to line up. Probably at least 2, and then one of the sides.
Definitely.
Will this even work? Are those on the same plane? These 2 look a little bit taller.
They do.
What the fuck?
They actually don't look 100% even with each other even.
What the frick? Yeah, only 2. I mean, 2 worked, and I've pulled a balancer off with 2 before. Yeah, there's no way that
How would this work?
This is just not the right tool then, or something.
What?
Yeah, maybe I didn't.
But this is like a universal one.
I know.
I guess it's not universal for this one.
I guess not. So we got 2 of them cleaned up, and I'll just run this through up and down a little bit with some WD, and we'll do a final cleanup of it, and then we'll paint it. I don't know if we'll have time to install it, but we'll at least pull the balancer off the other, the motor right now. The other balancer, the L67, and probably end it there. I don't know what else we have going on today. Other than
not a lot.
And waiting on parts. So.
All right, guys, we are ready to do an Ugga I just kind of
top down.
Okay. Oh man, I get hit in the face with the air. Okay. God damn. It's always so loud.
Like butter. Oh, there we go. We'll have to.
Oh, you did. You actually did a good job. So we didn't.
So, yeah, basically just did that so no paint gets in on the center part. You hear our dog barking?
Just say no.
Shouldn't like the impact noise. But yeah, just taking care of some of this masking. But yeah, there's the old girl.
The old girl.
Once that's dry, we should measure them, like weigh them, see how much weight savings it is on the front, because that thing is pretty substantial.
It is.
I mean, just bring it up over there.
It feels like 8 pounds. It's more than double that for sure. Because oops.
Don't touch it, it's painting.
Don't touch it.
Don't
It's
touch it.
painting. But yeah, look at that. That's way beefier too.
Mm-hmm.
That looks good.
All right, guys. So we just weighed it all, and this comes in at about 6 pounds, and this one comes in at about 9 pounds. So really not that much of a difference.
Yeah, it feels like it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, any weight you can get off the nose or the rotating assembly itself, like when you consider everything, it's decent. Not a bad idea.
Yeah, especially because we didn't need it. So.
Yep. So we're gonna give this probably another coat of paint and some clear. And then I'll probably get like my heat gun or something just to kind of get the process going, and then we can bolt it on.
Okay.
All right, guys, we got our balancer all painted up, just 3 coats of enamel and then 2 coats of clear coat enamel, and looks pretty good. I guess I missed some spots, but
that's fine.
You won't see that.
Nope. Definitely won't.
So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna line this boy up and Ugger on.
Huh.
What the fuck? It's like the bolt itself is bottoming out. We might need a Camaro crank bolt.
Oh, for fuck's sake. It would make a lot of sense why that one would be a lot longer, wouldn't it? Wow. Yes, I'm recording.
We're very smart guys.
We're very smart.
That's why it's called Jury Rig Garage here, So,
God damn it.
I guess we just need a Camaro crank bolt because, yeah, exactly like Tristan said, if, this is much longer, which it is, it's not like this is recessed.
That's a fucking crazy concept, is it not?
All right, guys, just in classic jury rig fashion, we run into something like this. We don't got parts. Yeah, we don't got parts to continue with the turbo kit. We don't have the correct bolt to even install the balancer with the very minuscule work we wanted to even show in a video. I mean, we did clean up the garage. It's kind of dirty again because we got stuff. We're gonna clean this up right after.
Yeah,
but
that's so funny because in perfect jury rig fashion, we're having to end it off because the thing that we were trying to do we don't have the right hardware for.
We don't got our new welder. We can't weld that. We can't do the wastegate stuff. We don't got the exhaust for it. We don't got the balancer bolt. We don't got anything. Why do we even have a YouTube channel, guys?
which means send us this stuff, guys.
Yeah.
Send us this.
Yeah, actually, if you could like the video, it'd really help us out. So, just go and do that. So, anyways, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. If you did stick through with it, we're gonna have plenty more progress next weekend once we have the parts and update on when I'm getting my new welder. So, again, thanks for watching. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.